tell you. Just keep all feelings to myself until it bursts to reconcile. If a promise is too hard for me to keep, if I say and then don't do, then I'll be no good to you. If I listen but don't hear, if I cry tears just to endear, I'm not you. I'll be no good if I'm not crying, but harden me so bad that no one's suffering touches me the least. I'll be no good if I'm just lying and keep on saying things